Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we are discussion about introduction of linguistic. Basically, linguistic is the properly subject which use in the BS English subject. Yes, you can see the outline of the our topic. What is language? What is linguistic? Different definitions of linguistic. The scope of linguistic. Pure science, diachronic and synchronic. So let's see our topic. First of all, we are discussion about language. What is language? Language is the expression of ideas by means of speech sound combined two words, and words are combined into sentences. The combination of answering it means sentences to that of idea into thoughts. And what is linguistic? The scientific study of language and its structure. The scientific study of language and its structure, including the study of grammar, syntax, and phonetics. This is called linguistic. According to different linguists, different definitions of linguistic, according to George Zedon, defines linguistics as a science that investigates the language of the written and non-written. Sometimes language are written and sometimes are non-written. According to Bloomfield, linguistics is a science as well as physics and chemistry is a science. Mostly we are read in different sciences. If we are talking about language science is also known as linguistic. King T. Ness, according to King T. Ness, linguistic deals with human language as universal and recognizable part of human behavior and human capabilities. Means there are two things included here: behavior, human behavior, and human capabilities according to King T. Ness. Yes, different scopes of linguistic. Actually, three scopes of linguistic: sound, grammar, and meaning. Sound are also included two things: phonetics and phonology. Grammar are also 2 points for morphology and syntax. Meanings are also 2 points: semantics and pragmatics. So next we are discussion about one by one: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, and pragmatics. Phonetics is the science which study how speech sound are produced, transmitted, and received. Actually, phonetics is the work on sound. Phonology is the science which study the system of sound. It is conserved sound pattern. Next one is the morphology. Morphology is the science which study words and pieces of words. It means morphology work on words. Syntax is a science which study the structure of the sentences. I tell you about syntax basic definition. The grammatical structure of a sentence is also known as syntax. Next one is the semantics, is the branch of linguistics and logic concerned with the dictionary meaning. Semantic is the semantic is the work by the dictionary meaning. Pragmatics is the study of what words mean in particular situation. Any word is used particular meaning is used particular situation. So next one is the pure science. Psycholinguistic is the relationship between language and mind. Two objects here, language and mind. Sociolinguistics is the relation between language and society. Actually, language exists on society. Applied linguistics is the relationship between language and language teaching. Computational linguistics is the relationship between language and the use of computer. Yes, next one is the diachronic and synchronic. Many uh, peoples and many students confuse in two differences, diachronic and synchronic. Diachronic mean is the study of language through different period of time like that 1950, 1965, 2016, 2019, different period of time. Synchronic is the study of language at a single period of time like that 1950, like then 2020, like that 29, like that one period, only one number is the study of language at a single point of time. Yes, thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and like, share with your friends and watch our more videos like that coronavirus vocabulary, 26 ways to say thanks, and different use of how and have, has and had. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.